In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the stop on reply feature in Lemlist. So first in the left panel, head over to campaigns. And here from the campaign list, look for the specific campaign you would like to apply the stop on reply settings or feature. Then beside it, click on the three dot icon and click on campaign settings. And here inside general settings, you'll see an option that says stop the campaign for people that, and here there are three options. So all you have to do is toggle on this setting for reply by email or LinkedIn message or SMS. Now, with this feature on, Lemlist will automatically stop sending follow ups to a lead as soon as they reply to any email in the sequence. This helps you avoid awkward situations where someone replies but still receives automated messages. It also keeps your outreach more natural and improves your sender reputation. Now, before launching your campaign, make sure to double check that the setting is active. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!